Know this before you get monetized on YouTube. 3 reasons you don't have to get monetized in a hurry and why. Once you hit YouTube monetization requirement, YouTube partnership program, no one will ever tell you this. Now let me narrow it down. I got monetized and demonetized. Why? Let me explain. Before I explain the difference, what demonetization did to me, then I will tell you 3 reasons you don't have to get monetized in a hurry and why.
Okay, so this is the difference now. The difference is cheese. Now the difference is you need to follow the monetization requirements, the one I am going to count out soon. And now those things, once you do the opposite, you go come back, as in you go be like me now with the barb my hair now, because it was so depressing that year. To get monetized and demonetized is not an easy thing. All of a sudden you could just get joy. You have joy that you be monetized, and boom, you're no longer monetized, all because you did this and you did that. And there are some certain secrets that all these big channels won't tell you as a small channel, even as big you are, but there are some knowledges that you need. You understand? So you need to know the 3 things you don't need to do when growing as a small YouTube channel. Me, basically, I have learned a lot of lessons. You understand? A lot of lessons that if you don't keep those rules, man, Otilo, it's gone. So this is me, barbed or hair barbed. Damn. Wow. So cheese.
Now, number 1, subscribe hunt. Don't seek subscribers and watch hours from people. Rather, make your content creation, command them to do that. Number 2, legit content creation. Don't upload someone's creation, just do yours, cause YouTube is not a joke. Number 3, using thumbnails that cannot relate, cause they will watch it and skip your videos.
Now they never leave you, they have left you behind.
So now, with all these 3 things why I read that give you now, if you do the opposite, abeg, no monetize your page, cause once you monetize, you know they go anywhere because you cheat. Subscribe hunt. Don't subscribe hunt. Don't preach, please subscribe, because they go wrong. Even though if they subscribe, they won't be watching your video. Legit content, make sure you put legit content, then put in good thumbnail. If it is possible, get people where they edit thumbnails, or comment below, I go link you up. That's it. Don't cheat, cause YouTube is advancing every day by day. So if you have anything that you don't really understand, comment below. Tell me, I'm going to be there waiting for you. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, then share this video to anybody where you want, make it follow benefit. You understand?